Question 12. A histogram was drawn for marks with 3 classes, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and 20 to 29. The bar heights are 1.4, 2, and 1.5. Only the first frequency, 7, is given. Find the other 2. The key fact. In a histogram, the bar height is the frequency density, the frequency divided by the class width. So, turning it around, the frequency equals the height times the class width. Now the class widths. 10 to 14 really runs from 9.5 to 14.5, a width of 5. 15 to 19 is also 5, but 20 to 29 runs from 19.5 to 29.5, a width of 10. Let's check the method on the first class. Height 1.4 times width 5 is 7, which matches the given frequency, so we're on the right track. Now the missing ones. 15 to 19. Height 2 times width 5 gives a frequency of 10, and 20 to 29. Height 1.5 times width 10 gives a frequency of 15. So the 2 missing frequencies are 10 and 15. Well done. That's question 12 complete.